Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and I'm very excited to shoot this video because we got our hands on the Huawei P30, which was released just a couple of days ago. Huawei never fails to amaze us when it comes to innovation, particularly of their flagship devices. So what does a P30 have to offer? Let's find out, so let's unbox this phone together. And that's about it for the unboxing. It pretty much has all the standard stuff. So now let's get to the phone itself, starting with the button and port layout. You have the power button and volume rocker on the right, the SIM card tray on the left, the speaker, USB Type-C port, and 3.5mm jack at the bottom. Since we're also seeing the device for the first time, we will be sharing our initial thoughts and first impressions, but stay tuned because we will have the full review up in a few days. For the build quality and design, the phone is eye-catchingly gorgeous. We have the Aurora color variant, but my personal favorite is what they call breathing crystal. Huawei pretty much started this whole gradient trend, and they do it really well. It has a glass back and has just enough heft to it to make it look and feel premium. It's easy to hold, not slippery, and the grip reminds me a lot of the P20, which I used on and off for a while, only the P30 has a slight curve on the sides. It has a 6.1-inch OLED display. The colors are vibrant and the viewing angles are good. It has a teeny tiny notch and an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty fast and accurate in unlocking the phone. The Huawei P30 runs on a Kirin 980 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The P30 has the same chipset as the Mate 20 Pro, which I've been using for a couple of months now, and in my experience, performance has been really smooth. The P30 should be able to handle pretty much whatever tasks you throw at it. Huawei is known for their phone's cameras, primarily because of their partnership with Leica. The P30 has a triple rear camera setup, which consists of a 40-megapixel main shooter, a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. It has an RYYB super spectrum sensor instead of the usual RGGB to let more light in all your images. As for the selfie shooter, it's at 32 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0. We've yet to try it out, but we're really hoping that this one takes good selfies. As for the video capability of this device, the rear camera can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS, and the selfie camera can shoot at 1080p, also at 30 FPS. Juicing it up is a 3650 mAh battery with support for Huawei Supercharge. It has an IP53 rating, so please don't take it swimming with you this summer. The Huawei P30 is priced at 36,990 pesos. It comes with a free Huawei Watch GT if you pre-order from April 5 to 12. Now that's a pretty good deal considering that the Huawei GT is priced at 12,990 pesos. And that's it for our initial impressions of the Huawei P30. Give us a few days to really test out the device and use it as our main driver, and we will have an in-depth full review up real soon. That's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. This is Leia. Bye!